How to link WhatsApp in your another device. Hey guys, this is Lucy. Today I'm going to show you how to link your WhatsApp account to another device. So let's get started. So first, you need to go to WhatsApp and click on the three dots in the top right corner. Click on linked devices. Here it will show you all the devices where your account is logged in, and you just need to click on link a device and do as it says. Here you will go to this page, so you will need to open WhatsApp in your other device and it will show you something like this. So you need to scan it, and there you go. My WhatsApp account is already linked. Here, as you can see, my WhatsApp account is active in Google Chrome Windows, which is my other device. So that's it. That's how you will link your WhatsApp to another device. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.